Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and a few things concerning the Windows updates for Windows 11. First of all, Microsoft wants to remind everybody because it seems a lot of people are complaining that they wonder if it's all right, if their PC has a problem. People are just complaining that there's several restarts during the updates, the Patch Tuesday updates. And with the high number of patches, Microsoft says it's totally normal that your PC will restart several times. So don't worry about it. Nothing's broken. It's completely normal. The other thing also, Microsoft wants to urge everybody to update their PC to the latest Patch Tuesday update. They do say that with the high number of updates, of patches, and the fact that some of the patches are actually fixing problems that have been there for a long time that their AI was able to find, and also because they are worried of the 3.0 days exploited in the wild, they are telling everybody, please update as soon as possible. Make sure that you have the latest updates installed for Windows. And an interesting little chart that they have released shows us the difference in the number of updates that they fixed 2025 and 2026. So you could see January it was down, February's up 5%, but then they're starting to get a lot more. So by March, April, and May, plus 38, plus 24, plus 66%. And then here is where it hits June, plus 200%, July, plus 316%, and August, plus 273%. That's year over year, the number of flaws that are fixed compared to last year. So there's a huge increase. The average increase is 117% more. So that's the January to August total. So pretty amazing. Last year, in January to August, they fixed 787 flaws. This year, 1,708. So no wonder they want everybody to update their PCs because there's a lot of security holes in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.